This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the sound not working on your Android tablet. So a lot of times when this happens, it's because you're connected to another device already. So you can see I can go up, volume up or down on the side here. Just make sure it's high enough up so you actually have sound and it's not muted. So we can just scroll on down now. We can see the volume slider right here as well. So this is mute. This is where the volume is probably good. So you can see I have something connected via Bluetooth. So if I go to my Bluetooth options, if I just swipe down and go to settings, Bluetooth, we could try just turning off Bluetooth real quick. If we turn off Bluetooth, no Bluetooth devices like speakers or headsets or anything are going to be connected. Then go back over to YouTube and just try out some sort of sound, see if that works. You could be connecting to one of these devices. So I can see my JBL Vibe Beam headset is on right here. It's not connected at the moment, but I could be getting audio through that headset. That's why I don't have any sound on my tablet. And the same thing for casting. So you might have an option for casting right here. If you're casting your device to another TV or something like that and you don't realize it, just turn off the casting option. I can see it's turned off because it's not blue right now. So once we figure that out, we're not casting it, we're not connecting via Bluetooth. We can go on down to the sound options right here. Just make sure your sound volume's up high enough here. It says mute ringtone and notifications. This is not set to mute. We got Dolby Atmos right here. So we can go back. Just look at your sound settings right here. Make sure everything is good. Media, sound notifications, other sounds. Okay, so everything looks fine under here. If it's still not working, we do have the option to reset our settings on here. So if we go to, it's either going to be under like general settings or it's going to be under about tablet. There should be an option to reset your settings. So if you can't see it, we can just type it in on the top and we should be able to reset it. So it's under general settings for me. Here's the reset options. We can reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset app preferences, delete all data and reset. So we can try resetting the Wi-Fi options, reset app preferences, delete the private space. I don't need to do that, but you can erase all the data right here too and just completely factory reset your tablet if that doesn't work. So just look at the different options under here. Otherwise, you can go to the Google Play Store and we can type in something like a Sound Booster app, Sound Booster, if the sound is not loud enough. So we got Sound Booster right here. Let's go to the one I just installed, Volume Boost, Sound Boost, and we can open this up. And this will allow me to increase my sound past the top sound level. So sometimes this does have some ads on it. They're not too bad though. We can just go to the next and close this down, and we can allow this. And I don't need to rate it at all, but we can exit out here. Now we have this little volume gauge right here where we can increase the sound to 200%. So you can decide if you want to go ahead and increase the sound on your tablet too if it's very hard to hear. But look at those apps. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.